and dad for always supporting me.
Thank you, Mom and Dad, for supporting me this school year.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad, for supporting me at my back. Thank you.
Thank you, Mom and Dad, for everything, for your care and your money, for my expense and for my study. Thank you.
Thank you, Mom and Dad, for taking care of me. អរគុណណាស់សម្រាប់ការមើលថែកូនកន្លងមកទោះកូនមានកំហុសខុសឆ្គងតែគាត់នៅតែព្រៀងប្រដៅកូនណាស់ល្អហើយក៏អរគុណទៅឪពុកដែរដែលបានជួយខ្ញុំក្នុងការសិក្សាក៏ដូចជាសៀវភៅក្នុងការរៀនផងដែរអរគុណណាស់សម្រាប់ការមើលថែហើយគាំទ្រខ្ញុំតិចខ្ញុំស៊ី1000ហើយ Mom and Dad អរគុណសម្រាប់ការមើលថែខ្ញុំនិងចំណាយលុយសម្រាប់ខ្ញុំសិក្សាអរគុណ
Good morning, Mom. Thank you for everything that you have done for me since kindergarten until grade 6. Thank you.
Thank you, Mom and Dad, for taking care of me and support me in this academic year. Bye bye.
អរគុណបាទសម្រាប់ការមើលថែកន្លងឆ្នាំនេះចា៎
Thank you, my mom, for supporting at my back. I really love you, and you is my lovely mom. Thank you, my dad, for always being in my heart. Although you don't live with me, but you always in my heart, and my dad forever. You both always support me in the whole year.
Thank you, Mom and Dad, for taking care of me. Now in grade 7, I'll study more. Thank you. Mom and Dad for supporting me for the past academic year to study this year to be better for ready for grade 7 and thank you.
Hi, Mom. Mom, thank you for always being by my side during my 6th grade journey. Thank you for helping me when I struggled, encouraging me when I felt nervous, and celebrate my success with me. Your support means the world to me. Mom, I am so lucky to have you. I love you so much and I appreciate everything. And I promise you to study hard when I get to grade 7. Bye.
Thank you, Mom and Dad, for taking care of me until I was this years old. Thank you.
I am so happy that I have you as my mom.
អរគុណប៉ាម៉ាក់ដែលបានចិញ្ចឹមថែរក្សាកូនតាំងពីតូចរហូតដល់ធំនិងតែបំពេញបំណងរបស់កូនពីចុងក្រោយកូនជូនពរឲ្យប៉ាម៉ាក់មានសុខភាពល្អមានអាយុវែងទៅរកស៊ីមិនបាន